So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I have an interesting video for you guys. I just got to know how to hack a website, or you can say as Windows, or you can say as any device. So without any further ado, let's begin this video. So first of all, let me introduce my two OS. So there is an hacking OS which is Kali Linux, and this is my web server, which you can call it as a system. So typical system, as you can see. So here, let me type and I have config. I have on sorry config. So here you can see is IP address is 192.168.0.8. So let me scan its open ports in my Kali Linux. So to scan the ports I am using the Zenmap. So let me type its IP address 192.168.0.8. So when I type an intent scan, and it will be scanning for me the open ports. So let me explain what is a port. So ports are basically software ports. So to give you a brief idea, so you are using an internet. So then two ports will be open, one downloading and one uploading. This is just a basic example. So right now here, so let me see what are the ports, and until then I will show you what are the files in my web server. So let me type pwd present working directory. So I am now in the root position right here, and let me list out the files, and there are no files. Basically it's a new web server, or you can say I have not did anything in this. So let me see, did it scan the ports? So it is scanning. Be patient until it scans. So these are the two ways. If you want me to do a dedicated video to how to install these virtual machines on your devices, so be sure to leave a comment down below. I will do it for you guys. Too much time because I am doing an intense scan. You can do a quick scan plus here, then you can know. So tada, we just found the open ports in this machine. So okay, this machine has open ports of this. So let's try this first one, SSH. So we increase the size here. So the open ports are here. Here you can see there are so many ports open here for you. You can search for the internet and just type this port name and how to act using the Kali Linux, and you'll find the methods. Right now I'm doing the SSH, which is easy method. So let me do this. Okay, then type SSH command and root. So you want a root authentication here, and type its IP address, which is your target, 168.0.8. Basically here our target is this machine. So when we go to here, type enter and enter its password, WAS. So here you go. We have finally logged into it. So when I type its pwd and I am its root, and when you list out its files, and here you can see there are no files inside it. Obviously I have no files. So I will open a new window of it, and I will list out these files. So these Windows files. So when I type ls, so these are the files in this virtual machine. So this is a Kali Linux, and these are the files in this machine. So there are no files obviously. So this is the process of how to hack your website or anything if you are connected in that network. So just type the IP address and scan and see the services which are open, and search in internet and find out its solution. So that's it for this video guys. Do hit a like, subscribe to my channel. Until then, peace.